Hey y'all, this is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are well. Hope y'all can see me in the room, my diva space, and I'm going to do a quick haul on some things that I selected to take on my vacation, my first mini vacation or road trip, if you will, out of town. And we leave on coming up real soon. So I am going to show you what I decide to take. Now, with it being spring, the weather's kind of still, trying to transition from winter to spring, and we still have rain, a lot of rainy weather. But where we're going is a little bit warmer, and but they still have a chance of rain, just like anywhere else. So I'm trying to incorporate things that I can still, feel warm. The weather should be warmer than it is here. It's like 70s and higher, like 75 would be the highest temperature. So, and it's near the water, so I'm thinking that it'll be a little bit warmer where I'm going as far as the temperature of the day is. So I'm trying to select things that I can take and layer and still look cool and cute. All right, let's get into this haul, or let's get into the video. All right, so now again, it's still kind of cold, kind of cool, or what have you. I'm going to start out showing y'all some things just in case I get, rained on or it's cool or whatever, cloudy, whatever. I am going to take a warm-up suit. This a little jogging suit. This suit y'all seen me wear, and also y'all seen it in a haul. This is like a little sweatsuit, and it's not that hot. It's a thinner type of material. So I think on the forecast coming back, it's going to be a little bit cooler. Like it's going to drop back down in the 60s. So this would be a comfortable back home outfit that I can wear in the car and still be comfortable. So I've worn it without anything underneath, just a jacket, or I can put a tank top or a t-shirt underneath. So this would be cool and comfortable to wear in the car. One of my traveling outfits back home or down there. I don't know which one it'll be. Y'all know I got to take some tie-dye. I'm in love with tie-dye. Okay, so moving right along, I have these black capris. They're capris leggings, and they're very cute, very reasonably priced. I got this at my little $10 spot. I told y'all we have a $10 fashion store in my area, and some things are less than 10, some are higher than 10. So this item was $8. These little black leggings. I bought this shirt I bought at purchased at, I think it's Cato's. I love the fact that it has a little drawstring right here. You can let it out or you can draw it up. This would be another layer piece. I can layer it underneath another outfit or a jacket or something. Very cute. I can wear this with leggings, or I can wear it tucked in, or however I want to wear it with some jeans or whatever. So these are two comfortable t-shirt pieces that I can wear. I love the material, and it's very cool and comfortable. So when you're on the road, you guys, and you're in the car for 6 hours, you want to make sure I want to make sure rather that I'm going to be comfortable, and I'm going to have some breathable material on me. I'm wearing some breathable outfits. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, moving right along. And this may be a long haul or a long video for you guys. So, get comfortable and just enjoy. All right. Now, this I've shown also in another haul. I love this little jacket duster. It's very long, y'all. It's very long, comfortable. Another like sweater material, not sweater, I'm sorry, t-shirt material, jersey t-shirt blend maybe. And I got a little green tank top underneath here to wear. Now this is a day I will probably wear it when it's warm outside, but I still need something on my arms. So ladies, if you out there, y'all divas out there, divos, y'all don't like showing your arms or what have you, you can wear something like this and still be comfortable, because it's not always long sleeve. It's like, you can gather it up on your arms and still be comfortable with wearing it. So not be too hot. So with this particular outfit, I can wear these black leggings under here. That's an outfit. That's a fit. So with me, I like to take stuff that I can interchange with and make other outfits without taking the whole closet. And this may look like the whole closet anyway, but it's really not. So I can, you know, wear jeans or some shorts or maybe these black leggings underneath. Okay. All right. And I like the fact that it has a hood on it as well. It's very cute. Okay. I decided we're going to do a white, we're going to have a white day, date out or whatever, dinner day or a white day. That we both going to be dressed in white. Of course, my husband's like, okay, well, buy me a white outfit because I don't have nothing white. And I did. I bought him a nice white shirt and some shorts. And so this will be a day when it's warm outside, warm enough for us, you know, to wear the white. I have a black, what you call it, slip or some black undergarments to wear under here, a biker shorts and a black t-shirt. Again, that black t-shirt I just showed y'all, tank top. I can wear underneath. You would definitely have to wear, I would have to wear something black underneath here with some white sandals or black sandals or even sneaks. I don't know, because they all gonna go with me. But this is something really, really cute to wear. I thought we could make some, you know, take some very, very cute pictures in. So this is on white day. Or our miniature white party, just him and I. Okay. All right. And also sticking with white, I bought this little white jacket. This jacket is so cute. It's something different. I like to, you know, get something different. This, the ruffles at the bottom. I love this. I fell in love with the jacket because of the ruffles. I already tried it on. And I got that dress from H&M. And this is something new. I just purchased this yesterday from Cato's. And I love it's cute. And a blue jean jacket. I want some blue jean white pants. But, you know, if I don't find them right now, that's fine. I go find them when I get back. But, yeah. Love this little jacket, white jacket. Of course, this can go with anything. You can put this on if it's too cool. If I get too cool, I can also put it on with anything. Shorts, leggings, blue jeans, and still have an outfit on those cooler days. All right. I love this dress. Y'all seen this dress in a haul. This is cute and comfortable, airy t-shirt material. This is really cute, and I can wear some nice leggings underneath if I get too cool, or I can just wear it as is. I have some other things I can put under here that will make it a little bit warmer if it's just too much, I mean too light to wear by itself. So I'm not worried about that. I have the jacket to put on as well, and I think I could be very comfortable with this. I'm also taking clothes that I can, you know, switch up. You know, maybe I have on one part of the day and then at night I can switch up and put on something else. Okay. I'm always overpacking. This dress right here, I also seen somebody else had this in their haul. This is a beautiful dress. I got this from Target. Love the fact that it's very long. It is like a maxi dress. This came from Target. And this is so cute. I got flip-flops also in this kind of, y'all know I love this print. I have this print downstairs in my house, in my decor. So this black and white check is classic. It's very nice. It pulls you in. It gives you that beautiful silhouette that you want. If you don't have a long term, like a, you know, a waistline, like my waistline is another story. So this helps me out a lot. Also, I can wear my little white jacket with this. This is so cute to wear this. If it's too cool, I can still get away with wearing this jacket with this. And yes, this came from Target. I think it was like $27. Okay, moving right along. This is another dress I can wear. I think somebody else, I think MKLBK. Y'all know I'm bad with names, but my sister friend had it in her haul. It is a rainbow dress. It is so cute. I love its fact that it's very, very long. I'm 5'8", so it's still long on me. It still hit the floor on me or go down to my ankle. So I thought it was a cute dress. Love animal print, and it was $12 or $13. And again, I can wear my jacket with this. Very cute. Some sandals with this. And let's see what else I can wear with it. I have some other things. I have a blue jean jacket, of course, you can throw on with this as well. So this is easily, again, you can update this, what I'm trying to say. You can accessorize this very easily by it being a no sleeve or sleeveless dress. All right. Let's keep it moving. What I have here, oh, solid black dress. You always got to take a cute little solid, oh, if I hit myself in the face, Lord. Okay, a solid black dress, t-shirt dress, swing out dress. Love the sleeve, very cute, very airy. I can belt this if I want to, snatch my waist in, or I can just leave it as is. So I got breathable clothes again. Like I said, I can also have a couple of meals because y'all know I'm gonna be eating, all right? So I can wear this with a belt or without, with any color shoes I wish to take. So yeah, something easy to wear. Okay, I'm trying to go fast, y'all. I got this little, drop something. I got this little cute little duster, black sheer duster. This was thrifted about a couple of years ago. And I had it clean, dry clean. I love the fact that it has buttons down in the back. This is the back of it, y'all. And then this is the front. Cute duster, y'all. Beautiful. And you can wear jeans with this underneath and a tank top. You know, if I wanted to do that. And just be just as cute as ever. And have some little black sandals or gold sandals on with this. Very cute. So I'm definitely going to take this to accessorize other outfits with. Hold on, y'all. Drop my blouse here. Let me see if I can, excuse me for sniffling. It's real life, y'all, real life. Okay, so this beautiful, and this is about 5 years old, this blouse. But the whole print is coming back. This gold and black shimmery gold polka dot print is coming back. I mean, really. I bought this years ago from Lane Bryant, and love it. And like I said, I'm gonna take this because you can wear a black tank underneath this with some cute leggings, black leggings if I wish. I can put some shorts on with this, or I can put some jeans on with this. But this is very cute. Love it. And like I said, classic pieces. I love the little baby doll swing out look. Very forgiving. And so, you know, classic pieces like this don't never go out of style. It just definitely comes back. I'm glad I purchased this some years ago. Okay, moving right along. What time is it? Okay, still doing good, y'all. Got these cute little pants from Rainbow. And they have the little gathering, like, I guess they call it paper bag waist. You can wear this with a belt. They was $14.99. And here's the little black tank top that I picked up from, I think I showed y'all this at Walmart. You can buy these for $3 and some change in different colors. I have plenty of the black ones. I just wanted to take a nice, fresh, new one. So I picked that up for $3.99 or $3.98. And thought that would be cute to wear with this black little belt. I have a black little gathering belt. I'm gonna wear like an elastic belt. Everything ought to be everything ought to be comfortable. Everything has to be, you know, stretchable for me, so and still look nice. So I will be taking these as well. And they're cotton pants, you know, not hot pants. All right, this is another outfit, cute. Got this top from, I think I showed y'all, I don't know, I got this top from Cato's. It has a little baby doll look, a little swing out layered look with the sleeves to match. Here's the bell sleeves. Got that. Still breathable t-shirt material. And these pants I've had for a while. Love these little, they come to, they're like a, not capri, but a little bit to your middle of your knee, calf or what have you. Got these some years back from JCPenney's. So I'm mixing and matching clothes that I already have, so I don't have to keep going out buying stuff. I'm not buying a whole bunch of clothes to take on, you know, this trip. So yeah, love this outfit here. Nice and breathable. This is a long tunic, and I bought this to be a solid just a solid color outfit to slim you down. I got the pants, the little capris to match. I just matched them up as an outfit. These were $8 and the top was $10 from my little $10 fashion store here in my area. That's it. That's basically what I actually bought and purchased and decided to put together as an outfit and to change different outfits with. And I think I'd be comfortable with blue jeans. I have some blue jeans as well I'm taking. Show you the jeans. These pair of jeans I'm taking. So I think I have enough clothes I can interact, still be cool in, still be comfortable in. I also have some another little shorts, these short sets I have these black little biker shorts I can wear. These are just accessory pieces, additional pieces that I can interchange with as well. These are some little black lace biker shorts that I can wear under that white solid dress if I wanted to. With the tank top, that'll be my black underneath garment for that dress if I wanted to do that. I have these shorts, cute shorts, y'all, with the elastic in the waist, with a nice tunic top, just like that pink one. I have that to wear with it, tunic top, just in case it get warm. I'm taking things just in case it gets too hot. I can be putting on a whole bunch of clothes. Okay, and I have this short set. Y'all seen this little outfit I showed y'all in the haul. Got from $10 store. They made, all the shirts are made of like tunic. This is another short set. All right, black. Look, I guess that would be cotton, yeah, cotton material. Cute little top. It's a boat neck top. You can wear it off your neck, off your shoulder. I'm sorry, slouchy, boat neck cut. Very cute with these shorts. Now, will I wear them? Will I wear them down there while I'm there? I'm not sure. I just like to have things just in case, you know, I need them, and I'm not gonna be buying clothes all the time. I'm trying to buy because it's warm and I ain't bringing any shorts. So those are some outfits I'm bringing just for emergency. I always overpack, so that's just a given. I always overpack. And so I have a couple of pieces. I know it's gonna be a long video. I have a couple of pieces, y'all. I'm gonna have to do another video on the accessories, so stand by for that. Okay, just a couple of pieces that I thrifted real quick. Let me just add that on in with the video. But these have been washed, cleaned, and sanitized and all that. Y'all got problems with thrifting clothes? I don't. So got this little cute little gown type of thing. Like, I guess somebody can just walk around the little beach house with. It's very cute. And then I got this. This is another one. Cute satin little, I would say, I don't know if it's a gown or whatever it is. It's just cute. I love it. I'll be taking that with me. They're ready to go wash, sanitize, and steam and all that, whatever. Okay. This is a Sheen. Let me put this one back. This is a Sheen dress that I found. And it was kind of like a store, like a Plano closet store. And it's definitely, it's Sheen. It's very cute. The layers are so cute. Look at that. So I washed this in fabric softener, sprayed or whatever, and hey, it's ready to go too. Just in case I take it, or I wear it in the summertime sometime. And this cute little top as well. I saw this top at I saw this top at, this is an Old Navy top, I believe. Yes, Old Navy. It's inside out because I have washed it and hung it up to dry. It's, you know, all the good stuff is ready to go as well. One more thrifted top. Look at this cute classic tops. Off the shoulder top. I'll be wearing this off the shoulder. I love the fact that it's orange. Orange is one of the styles, the trendy colors that's coming in. Orange is one of the top. I think that's orange is number one. Love the fact that picked this up, thrifted, and got a good deal on that as well. So that's it, y'all. I have another video. I'm just gonna do my accessories. What I'm gonna bring for my accessories. Put it down. All right. So yeah, I'm jumping off. This is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up the video, like, share, comment below. Let me know what y'all think of what I'm taking. And I'm gonna jump back on again, I think, with some accessories that I'm taking as well. Look out for the next video. All right. Bye-bye.